How to fix can't turn off airplane mode in Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix can't turn off airplane mode in your Windows. Now before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right into it. So first thing in mind is sometimes some laptops have buttons for airplane mode. So just check your keyboard, check if there is any button such as that, and if you do see it, just turn it off. Now for the second fix, what you'll need to do is open up your services. So search for services and open it up. After you open that up, tap on any service that is currently there and tap on R. Now there you'll find radio management service. Right click on it and head over to its properties. Under properties, here you will see startup type. Select that and tap on automatic. After you do that, apply and then tap on OK. After that, what you can then do is just go back, and this is the second fix. If this fixes your problem, great. If not, you'll need to open up your device manager, and after you open up your device manager, what you'll then need to do is search for your wireless. So search for your wireless uh, driver. So you can see your network adapters. Tap on that, select your network adapter, double click on it. There you'll find multiple options such as details, events, resources, and many other stuff. Here what you'll need to do is there you should find an option that says save this for power or something like that. Let me search for that. So you can tap on your network adapter again there, then go to driver. My bad here, go to your uh, properties, make sure all of these are set to normal, including your driver. If you haven't updated it, update that as well, and you should be good to go. And that's how you fix the problem. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and now bye bye, take care.